Understanding the stage effect in English language. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, stage effect. This term is quite vivid and can be really fun to learn about. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about language nuances, this video will shed light on what stage effect means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The stage effect refers to the phenomenon where things appear different or are perceived differently when they are in a public or prominent setting, much like on a stage. Imagine actors in a play. They may look and act differently on stage under bright lights and in costumes than they do in their everyday lives. Similarly, in everyday usage, stage effect describes situations where the context or setting amplifies or alters the perception of something. Let's look at some examples. 1. In business, a product might seem more appealing when presented in a high-profile launch event. This is the stage effect at play, where the setting enhances the product's appeal. 2. In personal life, someone might appear more confident when speaking on a stage or in a formal setting, showing a different side of their personality. Again, a stage effect. In literature and media, the stage effect is often used to highlight contrasts. For example, a character might seem ordinary in their daily life but becomes heroic in a crisis. This contrast is amplified by the stage effect. Their qualities are more noticeable when they are in the spotlight. When you want to describe a situation where the context makes a big difference in perception, you can say, "This is a classic example of the stage effect." It's a great phrase to describe scenarios where the setting plays a crucial role in influencing how things are perceived. The stage effect is a fascinating concept in the English language that helps describe how settings and contexts can dramatically alter perceptions. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.